What up, guys? It's your boy Pinecone. Yeah, I know I've been away for a while, but look, I'm gonna be straight up honest with you. Gas is really expensive. I know I mentioned that before, you know, things are starting to rise up and everything. Well, it's now $5.10 a gallon for me for 93 octane. Yes, I know it's a lot cheaper than California and a lot of other places, but look, that means it's costing me about $17 a day to go back and forth to work. So I'm really like running short on cash with everything going up. And since I don't make money on YouTube yet, you know, I don't have the extra money to splurge on stuff. But today, I finally got new tires. Again, yeah, you're like, wait, Pinecone, didn't you just get new tires? You're right. Those were like $20,000 mile thread wear, like high-end sport tires. Well, I went with Falkins again, but this is a different one. They're not Y rated, they're W rated, so it's still rated at 168 plus. But they're 500 thread wear, so they're gonna last me longer and give me better gas mileage. Hopefully, at least that's what I'm going for. So let me show you the new tires. As you can tell, the car's still looking, you know, still looking good, but brand new tires. I got a lot more thread on these than I did on the last ones. I wish I would have did a video before. I mean, 15,000 miles and those tires were wore out. But these are the Falkins Xenix ZE 950s, all seasons, just like the last tires, but they're a lot thicker. Like I said, they're let's see. Thread wear rating is 500, as you can tell here. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Let's see. Yeah, see, 500 thread wear. All right, so that's just typical. Max tire pressure, 50 psi. I'll probably keep it around 40, 42. Oh, I know this is gonna be upside down, but these are the 245s. 4.5 A20s, which was the same width as the last tires, but these are rated at 103W. I think the last ones were I think 102Y, I think, which is this is the tire grade right below it. But I originally wanted to do like a burnout, you know, to let the tires go and videotape that and all that, but I didn't do it because like I said, gas is really expensive and it's costing me $17 a day just to go back and forth to work, which means it's costing me about $80. Well, $75 every 4 days, in case you're wondering. So yeah, I just wanted to give y'all an update that I got new tires, you know, and I'm looking forward to trying to get new content out there. I just don't know. I don't know if I mentioned it in my last video, but my niece, the one I want to drive the Charger, you know, 17 with a license, everything. Well, I just found out recently she's pregnant, so I don't know when she's going to do the video for driving my car, but hopefully soon. But I still got something lined up. I'm thinking about letting my mom drive it, so we'll see. But until next time, peace. I just wanted to add this in here. I forgot to mention to give a shout out to the tire company I always do my tires with. Look, if y'all are in the New Orleans and Slidell, North Shore area, be sure to stop by Slidell and check out Williams Tire Company. I've been dealing with them since I was 15, 16 years old. I say 15 even though I didn't have my license then, because I still had my truck and it needed new tires, and before I could get my truck ready to go get my driver's license, my parents said I had to fix it up and everything. So I spent about a year making sure everything was good on that. I think I had to replace the transmission, and me not knowing a damn thing about cars back then, my dad forced me to put up the transmission. He did the bolts and everything, but I had to hold it up and all of that. So he did so we did that. I had to pay for new tires. I had to make sure it was registered. I had to make sure that I had insurance and all that shit before I could go drive to get my driver's license. So I've been going with Williams Tire Company since I was about 15. I'm 34 now. I'll be 35 in a couple months. So best tire service, man. They always hook you up. You know, they as long as you buy the tires from them, they give you free rotations at every 7,500 miles if you buy the tires from them. And I find they got really good service. They always take care of their customers. So if you are in the Slidell area or North Shore, right up around, you know, on the North Shore side of New Orleans, or in New Orleans and you just want to make the trip to the North Shore to get good tire service, I definitely recommend Williams Tire Company. And go see my boy Ryan. He subscribes to this channel, so he's going to appreciate that I'm not only giving the tire company a shout out, but I'm giving him specifically the tire company. He's the one that ordered the tires for me. All right, y'all. Now this is the real end of the video. Until next time, peace.